Excellent. I have to go outside in that because I have to go shopping. And my raincoat is in my wife's car. Hi, my name's Dan, and this is my channel. I don't really know what I created it for, but I bought this camera and I decided not to let it go to waste. And I picked one hell of a day to start filming myself. Although, I think it's finishing now. Hopefully the thunder and lightning and rain's finishing now because I don't have a raincoat and I have to go outside. That's going to be lovely. So it's Sunday, and it's my turn to cook Sunday dinner. So I have to go out in the rain to the shop and buy food. So I was going to take my new camera with me, maybe get some nice shots. There's a nice flyover, but the rain, although it isn't as heavy, it's still coming down, so I'm not going to risk it. My phone will have to do for now, although the sun's coming out. Maybe another time. It's still raining. It had stopped. I almost turned around to go and get my camera. I think I made the right choice. This is not the nicest weather to be out in. Actually, should really have my hood up. Everyone in their cars. Best mode of transport's your own 2 feet. So you're given. So I suppose I should really start with why I wanted to vlog and what I hope to achieve. I suppose the most honest answer is I don't know. Really. There's no plan. I bought a camera. Going on a quick holiday next month. Thought I've always wanted a camera, so I might as well buy one while I can. Even though, like right now, I'm not even getting to use it. I had made YouTube videos in the past, mostly like playing games and stuff. Didn't really go anywhere, nothing really happened with it. But it's good fun, frustrating. It's just another hobby, really. Although, my wife would say I'm running out of spaces for hobbies. Spaces for hobbies? Space for hobbies. So yeah. I think eventually, if iOS 11 ever comes out, be next quarter. I'd probably like to maybe record some Pokemon Go. A lot of people here in my town that play, and I had a lot of great people playing. My arm's getting sore. Oh, the sun. Problem with holding the camera on this side. It's actually hurting my eyes, but it's still raining. I'd say if I had any influences, it'd be Trainer Tips. His channel's great. His videos are, as you'd say here, spotty dog. And from him, started watching Casey Neistat. His videos and cinematography is unparalleled. I'll take it back. So problem with putting a hood up, spend so much time doing your hair and it always ends up a mess. So, yeah, I've got a lot to learn, a lot of work to do. I'm not going to be one of these people, I'm loud. Not going to be one of these people that says, oh, I'll do a video every day, 7 days a week. So I'm just doing it for fun. Not that I don't have anything to do. Just want something different, challenging, and maybe something a little thought-provoking. There's a lot going on in the world. There's always a lot going on in the world. But everything that's going on in the world right now affects me. I think that's kind of important to have your own opinion and share your own thoughts. Like, for example, on a main road, all these cars coming past. That was a highway vehicle. And by 2040, or I suppose already, the plans are already being put in place. They're becoming extinct, which is a good thing. I mean, 2040 is not close enough for some people. But yeah, a lot going on. It's worthwhile talking about it. So I don't really know what my channel is going to be. Everything, anything, whatever I want, whatever I decide to put in there. It's the whole point, really. Create whatever you want, however you want, whenever you want. This is where I wanted to bring my camera. Oh, my phone's getting wet. But I just thought against it because of the rain. It's brand new, it's not waterproof. My phone is, to an extent, it's splash proof. You got some great shots up here on the flyover. Let's see if I can get one.
Of all the little things I wanted to say, I really wanted to do, girl, this time.
Okay, shopping done. Wasn't as painful as I thought it would be. Now I gotta walk all the way back and start cooking. Well, maybe not yet. What time is it? I don't know. So yeah, see you at home. So the shopping trip was successful, although just as I got around the corner to the street I live on, the rain started coming on again. So definitely made the right choice not bringing the camera, the D50-300. Just looking out the window here to see if there's any more thunder or lightning coming. But I've got a headache. I usually get headaches when there's thunder coming. But I'm going to have to go tidy up, start dinner, and edit this video if I can. and then chill. Maybe play some Xbox. So, all in all, successful mission to get Sunday dinner.
No, no, no.